watch a lot. He's throwing back the small ones, the big ones.
Whoa, look at that.
Yourself, look under the dirt. Very.
What do you have, dear?
Lobster.
And you just pass them forward.
All right.
เรือที่เราจะลงดูเขาจับ Lobster กันค่ะเขาเปิด 10 โมงเช้าค่ะแม่บ้านจองตัวไปแล้วค่ะหลังจากลงเรือดูเขาจับกุ้งมังกรหรือ Lobster เรียบร้อยแม่บ้านก็จะพาลงเรือนะคะตรงข้างๆกันนั่นอีกครั้งเนาะค่ะเนาะไปดูแววกันอีกวันเนาะค่ะว่าจะได้ดูได้เห็นบ่ค่ะลงเมื่อวันก่อนนะได้ดูแต่แววตัวน้อยค่ะอันแววตัวใหญ่บ่มาเลยค่ะวันนี้ก็เลยจะลงอีกครั้งค่ะรอลงเรือแคท Lobster ตบ Lobster กันค่ะนี่มาต่อแถวคนแรกค่ะเพราะว่าจะได้นั่งแถวหน้าโอ้แม่นยังดอกค่ะ
Tour. My name is Gene. I'll be and you go 100 miles up into the Bay of Fundy. It's 45 to 50 feet up there. So pretty impressive. What we have is a demonstration license here. We have 20 traps. We can trap sits on the bottom. That's where the lobsters live. They can put their trap anywhere from 10 feet to 300, and they can go deeper. Look and see if we're lucky today or not. They also get a lot of crabs in these traps. They're making their money off of lobsters. So they are edible though, pretty good eating crabs. We get Jonah crabs, and we get also called stone crabs. Anybody with
Yep. Oh,
yeah, we got something in here. Moving. Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Pop, pop, pop.
A lot of crabs. And a number of lobsters.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
We always check. We always look at the bottom, see if there's eggs on them here. We
The
do pull
baby
them quite
one.
often, female with eggs.
Oh, one call.
And yeah, this is.
Nope. Do you want any crabs?
No, I'll save those later.
Okay.
As you can see, one arm.
Look at that cat, people.
You look at all the little swimmerettes. You look at the top set. If it is like this, and I'll walk these around. If it's like a calico, but it's not. And the male is called a cock. It's like chickens. So here's your one-armed guy. They breathe through their gills, so they can live as long as you keep. So, if you watch a lot, he's throwing back the small ones, the big ones. Females with eggs, the females with not. So, let those guys go back and grow. The see
Wow, that's a big
in
one.
the trap.
That's a
So,
wow. Look at that. Whoa.
They have really sensitive hair right there, so they can see without seeing.
Oh.
That's got good color.
so I'm going to measure this guy just for the. He's probably good. Yeah, it's the right size.
Bye, Cap.
So you can see, I'm measuring him, and the shell exceeds that little point, so they are a keeper.
You go in there.
This is probably
Bye, Cap.
pound and a quarter.
Bye, Cap.
Just a little bit over the minimum.
Bye.
These pound and a quarter or pound and a half are about the best size to get to eat.
That's the
They're
egg
the
one.
most tender.
It's coming out. They're getting ready to hatch some eggs here. This is a rock.
They call that the apron. That will open up and the eggs come out and they'll be distributed in the water then. The eggs from a lobster, a pound and a quarter lobster will furnish about 8 to 10,000 eggs, and a 10-pounder, 100,000 eggs. But it turns out only 2 will reach adulthood, so that's why they produce a lot of eggs. Yeah, this is the egg, this little mess coming out there. This is mass coming out.
Wow. One. This one. One.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the big one.
You have to scramble, right?
Thinks it's still in water.
That's really all in. Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna let this female go back, hatch her eggs. We also get green crabs up here, and they are considered invasive. And when the lobster can catch those, they'll usually kill them. We've got a female here. Actually, I'm going to bring up yourself. Look under the very top here, and you'll see these 2 long, pointed, hard objects.
Good, good.
And that is amazing. Okay. All right, we got it all back in here. Thank you, Dave. Question. Why did it try to cook? Oh yeah, the small legs, they have small pictures. They'll just grab onto them, but they're not very painful, are they? Someone also asked me to see puffins on this trip. The puffin island closest to us is about 10 miles up the coast. It's called right over there. See the big bird sitting on top of the ledge? Yeah, bald eagle. They come out here to hunt. 60% of their diet is birds. So bald eagles, in 1960 we had about 20 pair up here, and now we have over 700. Once they stopped using DDT, which was an insecticide used very heavily, 50s, 60s, 70s, once they stopped using that, our numbers dramatically increased. It was very effective for mosquitoes, but it would travel up the food chain and result in the eggs being very brittle, and the bird would sit on and crush the eggs. So we don't have that problem now. Our eagles up here, wingspan about 6 feet, weigh 8 to 12 pounds, live for about 25, 30 years, and they will mate for life unless they are unsuccessful having a young, 2 or 3. You got a couple of really close over here at 1 o'clock. Right between us and the lighthouse. We just dove down.
Really noisy bird, no? Ow, 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 ow.นี่ก็เป็นการจับลาบสเตอร์หรือกุ้งมังกรให้ลูกทัวร์ชมนะคะเพื่อนๆที่รักค่ะพอจับขึ้นมาแล้วเขาก็จะเอาลงน้ำทะเลเหมือนเดิมค่ะเพราะว่าเขาจะบ่เอากลับบ้านไปกินนะคะเพื่อนๆค่ะเขาจะโชว์ให้ลูกทัวร์ดูเฉยๆค่ะวิธีการจับลาบสเตอร์หรือกุ้งมังกรค่ะดูค่ะเยอะมากค่ะแม่ปางเห็นเขาโยนลงน้ำนะแม่ปางน้ำลายหยดติ้ง กับปูค่ะปูทะเลนะคะเยอะมากค่ะมีแต่ตัวใหญ่ๆงามๆเนาะเอามาหนึ่งเนาะค่ะเนาะเอามาย่างทำน้ำจิ้มแจ่วโอ้ยน้ำจิ้มซีฟู้ดคือสิแซ่บบ่สั่นแม่บ้านละเสียดายค่ะแต่ว่าคนเขาอยู่ในนั้นเขาบ่เสียดายค่ะเพราะว่าเขามีสำหรับจับลาบเตอร์แล้วเอามาขายเอามากินต่างหากนี่คือเป็นเรือจับลาบเตอร์โชว์ให้ลูกทัวร์ชมเฉยๆค่ะแม่บ้านก็โอ้ยเสียดายดูค่ะมีแต่กระปูค่ะมีแต่ตัวใหญ่ๆงามๆค่ะเขาโยนลงน้ำค่ะเสียดายค่ะกุ้งมังกรคือกันค่ะลาบเตอร์คือกันค่ะเขาโชว์แล้วค่ะก็เอาโยนลงน้ำทะเลเหมือนเดิมค่ะเนี่ยค่ะเขาโยนปูลงน้ำแล้วค่ะปูไม่ได้ตัวใหญ่ๆค่ะเต็มกระชังเลยนะคะโอ้ยกำใหญ่ไปแต่แซ่บคักไม่ปังละเสียดายบายบายเจอกันคลิปหน้าค่ะขอบคุณพี่ๆเพื่อนๆค่ะ